Hello, you're welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, we are to evaluate 2 raised to the power of 22 minus 1. Now, this is a special case of difference of two squares, and we are not to use calculator. So, let's get started. Now, first, to be able to solve this, we have to look at difference of two squares, which states that a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b, a plus b. Now let's look at this critically. Let's write 2 raised to the power of 22 minus 1 in this form. So it's going to be 2 raised to the power of 11 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 squared. So we have written 2 raised to the power of 22 in difference of two squares. Now, if we open up this bracket, 2 times 11 will still give us 22, and 1 times 1, which is 1 squared, will still give us 1. So now let us write this expression in the factor form like this. This is A and this is B. So it's going to be 2 raised to the power of 11 minus 1 bracket 2 raised to the power of 11 plus 1. So we have expressed it in the factor form. Now, another thing I want us to introduce here is the product rule of indices. The product rule is like a raised to the power of n times a raised to the power of n equals to a raised to the power of n plus n. So this is the product rule of indices. So let's express this 2 raised to the power of 11 in this form. So we are given it in this form. So I want to write it in this addition form. It can also be written as 2 raised to the power of 5 plus 1. Then minus this 1 bracket 2 raised to the power of 5 plus 1 plus this 1. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So that's the level we got here. We only use this product rule and we open it up that way. To express it in this form is the same as 2 raised to the power of 5 times 2 raised to the power of 5 times 2 minus 1. We do the same here. As we are expressing this one in this form now. This one is in this format. So we have 2 raised to the power of 5 times 2 raised to the power of 5 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1. So 2 raised to the power of 5 is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 2 times 2 is 32. So 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32 times 32 times 2 minus this 1 that was there. We repeat the same thing here. 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32 times 32 times 2 plus 1. So 32 times 32, that's 32 times 32. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. When we add that up together, we have 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2, 1. 9 times 9 plus 1 is
We have 1024.
4. Times this 2 times 2. You are going to have 8. 2 times 2, 4. 0. So 32 times 2 is 2048. So let's replace that here. So we are going to have 2048 minus 1. The same thing here, 2048 plus 1. Now 2048 minus 1 is 2047. 2048 plus 1 is 2049. Wow. So we are here now. We are to multiply 2047 by 2049, and we are not to use calculator. So how are we going to do that? Just calm down and let's see. So the first thing is to write these numbers out in thousands. So let's express this number in this form. It's going to be 2000 plus 47 bracket 2000 plus 49. Now, it is easy for us to multiply it when we break it out like this. So the next thing we are going to do is to start our multiplication. 2000 times 2000. This is what you do. 2000 times 2000. You have 3 zeros here, you have 3 zeros here. So you are going to have 6 zeros. And then you multiply 2 times 2, 4. That will be 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 zeros and these 3 zeros here. You understand? Plus 2000 times 49. We have 3 zeros here. So what you're going to do is say 49 times 2. So 49 times 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is. So 2000 times 49. That will be 98,000. That's 98. With these 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. The same thing you do here, you multiply 47 by 2, and then you add the 3 zeros to the answer you got. So let's do that. 47 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Write 4, carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So we have here, we are going to continue it here. We have 94 with these 3 zeros. Now, here now, 47 times 49. This is where you are going to do your mathematics. You are going to count down and multiply it here. So let's stop that. 49. Let's do it. 49 times 47. 7 times 9 is 63. We have 3. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 6. That will be 34. That will be 34. 4 times 9 is 36. Right? 6 carry 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 will be 19. So let's add them together. We have 3. 0 here is 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry 1. 3 plus 9 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. And then 1 plus 1 we have 2,303. So we have 2,303 there. So the next thing we are going to do is to begin to add. Now let's arrange them and add them together. 4 million plus 94000 plus 98000 plus 2303. You add them. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. carry 1. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Then this one we have 1 here, and then we are left with 4. So our answer is 4,194,303. Please, if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Thank you. Bye.